Can you earn a minimum of $100 to $1,000+ per month only using AI? Yes, possible. But how? This channel has gotten more than 69,000 subscribers and thousands of views on videos in the last 10 months. Some videos are even getting more than 1 million views. Let's watch another channel. This channel uses AI to get thousands of views, with some videos getting over 3 million views, and has almost 2 million subscribers now. They earn more than $2,000 every month, and their income is increasing gradually. Remember, if you know how to use AI tools properly, then earning online is very easy for you. In this video, I will show you step-by-step how to run a YouTube channel using only free AI tools and earn thousands of dollars per month. Let's get started. Step 1. Choosing a niche. Go to ChatGPT and write, "Give me 5 YouTube channels. Name ideas in motivational and philosophical niches." Wow, ChatGPT has given us so many beautiful names. Now select the name you like. You can follow someone else if you want. Now we need to add a description for our channel. I will write this command in ChatGPT. All commands are given in the description. ChatGPT gives us a beautiful description. Now description is ready for our channel. Step 2. Create a YouTube channel. Before creating a channel, we need to create a profile and banner. That's why go to canva.com. Select any one of the free templates. Put the channel name in the template. Crop is needed when finished editing. Now click on the share option. Then click on the download option. Okay, the logo is downloaded. Now go to the search bar and select a template like YouTube cover. Edit the cover as you like and download it in the same way. Our profile and cover are ready. Now let's start making a YouTube channel. You can open a new Gmail for your channel. After opening a Gmail account, go to YouTube, click on the profile icon, then click on Create a Channel. Now put your channel name. Select the profile picture that is downloaded from Canva. Now I will click on the upload icon and upload the banner. Then click on Done option. Now we have to give the description. I will copy the description from ChatGPT and paste it here. Click on Publish. Now our YouTube channel is ready. Step 3. Choosing the topic of the video. We chose this topic. Why does God have a plan for you? Now we need the video script. This is an important part of the video. I have prepared a command to get a proper script. Now I will paste these commands here. The commands are very big, so I will give them in the description. Okay, ChatGPT gives us a complete script. This script is now easy to use, and the script is given like a conversation, so it looks more realistic. You can change the script as you like. Now our script is ready. Step 4. Creating the voiceover. For voice, I would suggest ElevenLabs. Now I will copy the script from the ChatGPT one paragraph at a time and paste it into ElevenLabs. There are many voices in ElevenLabs, but I would recommend you to use Brian Voice. You can use another one if you want. Now click on Generate Speech. Okay, go to the download option and download the audio. Copy and paste the rest of the voices in the same way, and generate the voice. After downloading each voice, save it with a number, otherwise it will be forgotten. Well, our voice is also ready too. Now step 5, copyright-free images and videos. We are making faceless videos, so we need animated ones. For this, we will use Leonardo AI to generate the image. We will take help from ChatGPT for commands in Leonardo AI. Paste these prompts into ChatGPT. ChatGPT gives us some awesome commands. Copy the command from here and paste it into Leonardo AI. The image will be 16.9 inches in dimension before generating. Click on Generate. Now select the image from here and download it. I will paste all the prompts one by one and download all the images. Now we will convert these images to video. But how? Go to PixVerse AI. Log in PixVerse for free. I will upload a picture now and click on Generate. Okay, video is being created. Wow, that's looking good. Now download all the videos one by one. We need more copyright-free images and videos. There are many websites for copyright-free images and videos. These include Pixabay, Video, Canva, etc. Besides some other website names, it will be given in the description. Now we need background music. For that, go to Pixabay and select free music. Besides, I am giving the names of some other channels where copyright-free audio is available in the description. Step 6, video editing. My choice for video editing is CapCut. But if you are proficient in any other software, then use it. Now you have to import the audio voices. I will select all the audios and import them together. Now I will import the videos in the same way. Now put pictures and videos by the voice. We can add some animation to the video. Subtitles and videos can multiply the beauty of our video. Subtitles should be selected with a nice little text. For that, we will use this text front. After editing the complete video, click on Export. I will keep the resolution 1080p. Give the video a name, select the folder in which to save. After that, I will click on Export. Okay, our video is ready to upload.
Welcome, my friend. I'm glad you've come today. Take a moment, sit back, and breathe deeply. Allow your mind to quiet just for a moment. You've come here because something within you is seeking understanding.
So you can upload this video on YouTube and easily earn $1,000 to $2,000 per month following this simple step. Thanks for sticking around till the end. If you learned something new today, leave a comment below with your favorite tip or insight. Don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials and step-by-step guides. See you in the next one.